I would now like to invite Honorable Principal D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, an educationist with a brilliant vision. It is due to his paternal patronage, wholehearted motivation, encouragement, and easy accessibility that made this faculty development program a success. I invite you to enlighten us with your golden words, sir.
Yeah. ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किंचित जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुंजीता ma grudakasya siddhanam. In the all parts of the universe, the God is existing everywhere in the very lively form. In every particle, smallest and the smallest particle, God do exist. And for the sake of humanity, to restore the peace and harmony, we have to love to each other without having any kind of the hatredness and jealousy. This is the meaning of this versa, and the pair it is from the Upanishad. Hence, all the eminent personalities across the globe who has contributed for this 1 month, 4 weeks FDP on environmental and sustainability. This is, I can say, it's an awesome and fantastic activity which has been demonstrated by all the eminent speakers and the participants who have actively not only participated, but they have engaged thoroughly. And we have already done their engagement audit also. How many hours cumulatively they were engaged, that has also been tracked, and what is their contribution also have been seen and observed and recorded. With the tune and blessings of our Ma Saraswati, our Honorable Chairman Satyaji Patil sir and Colonel Joshi, those are the two important personalities who are the backbone for us to take this particular program to the international level. The whole drive was from the Dr. Samir Sasrabuddhe from IIT Bombay. First, he talked to us and he said that Dr. Vijay and Dr. Vinay Kulkarni, you have to take this challenge because there are the eminent personality in the world. They would like to coming and talking on to this important topic of the environment and sustainability. I say that it is not an important topic of environment and sustainability. It is the question of the existence of the humanity in real sense. And all the speakers have demonstrated through their speeches and wonderful expression about the knowledge and in-depth knowledge about the all the sustainable goals. All the 17 sustainable goal has been properly explained step by step, and all our participants have really learned thoroughly. You know, only that few of the eminent speaker, Dr. Daniel Wilkins, we will be listening to this evening. Dr. Ranade, we were expecting to, see you today, and we wanted to listen to you once again because your gracious presence made us very, very happy. And there are so many speaker, Nobel Laureate Award winner, Mariam. Great to see you here. Santiago, Adil Ghalla sir. It was a very transformative kind of the lectures and the speakers that you have given. And really we are not only obliged, but expressing our deep sincere gratitude to all the eminent personality who have really contributed for the sake of humanity. Dr. Adil and Alba, she has really shown the concern about the humanity. When I talked to her, what is the important for you? She said that hunger and the poverty is very, very essential out of this, whatever the SDG that we are talking. And while explaining, I could see some tears in the eyes. That shows the genuinity of the speaker who are really concerned for this world. And I'm sure with the blessings of the Ma Saraswati, the goddess, and the soul, pious, holistic soul, very pure soul on the earth, you have come and blessed for this particular the event. I once again wholeheartedly, with pure my heart, I once again welcome you thoroughly, and I request Ekta madam to take it ahead. Thank you very much. Ekta ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much for expressing your
Thank
profound
you.
thoughts, sir.